The Anunnaki means those who Anu sent down from heaven to Chi, earth. It just another name for Rizkians meaning providers. They received the Anunnaki when they came down to earth. There were 900 Anunnaki that came on Nibiru from Risk altogether, but only 600 came all the way down to earth. They crashed down in the Arabian Sea and broke up into two groups of 300. The first 300 decided to move northwest of the original crash site, to set up 7 tribes after hearing the disagreeable sermons of Enki on the ship. These 7 tribes were Tilman, Nippur, Kodesh, Sifr, Mu, Lumeria, and Ashkelon. These cities were later headed by Udum and his wife Mami. The other 300 Anunnaki that succumbed to Enki's disagreeable ways stayed with Enki and moved to Iraq. They broke up into 7 tribes or cities of Sapar, Kish, Kutha, Sharupik, Uruk, Izan, Eridu. These Anunnaki or Elohim mine for minerals such as uranium, plutonium, gold and scan the ocean floors for chlorine. This group of Anunnaki further divided their ranks into 3 classes, and these classes were overseen by Kal. After the gold was mined, it was transported by smaller crafts that were 1/2 mile to these bases, along with cylinder-shaped crafts that was parked on the dark side of the moon. There was also a laboratory called Shimti on Mars, also called Lamu meaning deity of war. In this laboratory, that's where they placed the first cell inside of a dolphin from the planet Vulcan, now called Maldek. It was the dolphin that transported the single-celled organisms protozoa. The transportation of protozoa involved the development of the first animals. The evolution of the amoeba, and the fungi and algae lived underwater and evolved to land. These cells began to form larger molecules until protein was formed. It was this information that resulted in the prototype of the living cell. We were made to evolve from the intelligent amoeba and fungi. This is our beginning.